Hi everyone, I am Dr. B. Vinmayil. Today we are going to see components of linguistics. English is a lingua franca, so we have varieties of English being spoken across the world. Like that, we have too many dialects being spoken inside England. To have a standard English, following Queen's English, received pronunciation was established. It contains a set of phonetic symbols to represent each speech sounds in English. They are written usually within two slanting lines. Phonetics contains four important elements, namely production, transmission, classification, and reception. Production deals with the articulation of speech sounds, whereas transmission is the way in which speech sounds are transmitted from speaker to the listener. Vowels and consonants are two classification of speech sounds in English language. Like that, we have உயிரெழுத்துக்கள் மெய்யெழுத்துக்கள் in Tamil language. Reception is the way in which the receiver or the hearer or the listener listens and understands the speech sounds of the speaker. Next, we have phonology. Phonology is a linguistic component which deals with the function of the speech sounds. The first is selection of speech sounds. Every language has a set of speech sounds. It is selected based on the linguistic components of the language. For example, Sirapillagaram is not available in other languages, whereas it is mostly used in Tamil language. In organization of speech sounds, some sounds can be articulated together. Some sounds cannot be articulated. We have words beginning with SP, ST, SL, SK, but we don't have any sounds beginning with SX. Thirdly, we have phonemes. Phonemes are the basic sound units in a language. Phonemes differentiate itself from other speech sounds. For example, the word sin and seen are differentiated by a simple phoneme E and E. The long and short vowel differentiates these two words and their meaning. Next, we have morphology. It deals with the way in which words are divided into smaller, meaningful units. That meaningful part of a word is called morpheme. For example, if there is a word called girl and it can be turned into a plural noun by adding s. Girl is a meaningful phoneme, whereas s is a suffix added to make it as a plural noun. So morpheme is the meaningful part of your word. Next, we have syntax. Syntax is a linguistic component that deals with the sentence structures of a language. It deals with the way in which words are arranged to form sentences in languages. Semantics deals with the meaning of a sentence. Meaningful sentence should be grammatically correct. Therefore, syntax and semantics should go together. He drinks a cup of tea is different from he drinks a camel. Therefore, syntax and semantics are most important elements of linguistics. Thank you for listening.